Where to find ideas to promote your business. Google and YouTube are the two most popular platforms to find ideas for anything, and Pinterest is brimming with ideas, especially where creativity is involved. Forums and Facebook groups are also useful places to find ideas. Stalking your competitors' content, including their ads, the ones that are successful, is another way. It's often said that there is no need to reinvent the wheel, and that it's very difficult to find a totally new idea or strategy or even approach to your business. Maybe you really want to find brand new ideas to promote your business, but you are finding that harder than you expected. There is one place that contains limitless ideas with just a little encouragement from you. It's closer than you think. Yes, it's inside your head and your heart and your life experiences, the ones that are totally unique to you. How do you find these ideas fast? You could just take a paper and pen and do a brain dump. You could use an app such as mindmaps.com. Another possibility is going to answerthepublic.com and search keywords for your type of business. So really, there is no shortage of ideas, especially now that we have so many resources to help us on the internet. What are the best ideas to promote your business? Two heads are always better than one. So if you can find a great mentor, then that could be the solution to your problem. An even better way is to join a mastermind. This is the most likely place that you will find as many ideas as you need. This is where I find my best ideas, not only for promoting my business but also for helping with many other business-related and personal development issues. You can get a $1 trial at this link: https://hillarybasic.com/$1.